The Philippine two Olympic gold medalist Herilyn Diaz and Carlos Yulo. And bago po ang lahat, maraming salamat po to all my new subscribers. Unfortunately, we gotta do more. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Happy Wednesday po sa inyong lahat. This is Roberto from the USA and welcome. Dahil sa COVID pandemic, the 2020 Tokyo Summer Olympics was postponed until 2021. So Hedelin Diaz won gold medal on July 26, 2021. Apat na beses nang sumali si Herilyn Diaz sa Olympic bago niya nakuha ang gold. In 2008, she was second to the last. In 2012, she did not finish. And in Rio 2016, she got silver. In 2021, she got gold in Tokyo. Isang malaking tagumpay ang nakuha ni Hedelin Diaz. She was given a gift of 14 million condominium. And another house was also given to her as a gift for winning the Olympic gold. Hindi pa tapos yan. At mahaba ang listahan ng endorsement na dumaan kay Hedelin Diaz. Number 1 ay ang Jollibee. Number 2, Philippine Airlines. Number 3, smartphone. These are just the few of the endorsement that she was able to receive after winning the Olympic gold. Marami pang iba. At ang sabi ni Mr. Google, Hedelin Diaz is now worth 1 million US dollars. Congratulations, Hedelin! Huwag po ninyong kaliligtaan ang susunod na video. It's about the rich and famous Carlos Yulo.